Take a deep breath and listen closely. If you are here, it's not by accident. There is someone on your mind, someone who blocked you, pulled away, or went silent. And what if I told you that in the next few minutes, you could shift the energy so powerfully that they feel an irresistible urge to unblock you, to reach out, to reconnect? Because this meditation is designed to break the no contact barrier and restore communication faster than you think possible. Now close your eyes. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold and slowly exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale and release. Let your shoulders drop. Relax your jaw. Relax your chest. Feel your body becoming still, calm, open. You are safe here. You are powerful here. Now bring their image into your mind. See their face clearly. Notice their energy, even if it feels distant. Now imagine a soft glowing light forming in your heart. This light is warm, magnetic, irresistible. With every breath, it grows stronger. And now, this light begins to reach out to them. Not chasing, not forcing, just gently, naturally, pulling them back towards you. Now repeat these silently or out loud. They're thinking about me right now. They feel drawn to me again. The distance between us is dissolving. The block between us is gone. They are unblocking me now. They want to hear from me. They are reaching out to me. Communication flows easily between us. I am unforgettable. I am magnetic. I am chosen. Again, feel it. They cannot ignore me. They feel compelled to reconnect. They are messaging me now. Now shift your focus. Instead of longing, feel certainty. Instead of waiting, feel knowing. Because the truth is, you are not being rejected. You are being aligned. Their silence is breaking right now. Feel the moment they pick up their phone. Feel the moment they search your name. Feel the moment they unblock you. Feel the message coming through. See it. Feel it. Believe it. And most importantly, expect it. Because it is already unfolding. In the next 5 minutes, their energy shifts. In the next 5 minutes, they feel the urge they cannot resist. In the next 5 minutes, they reach out to you. Let that lock in. Now take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. And when you're ready, open your eyes and be ready because things are about to change. Now let's seal this energy in. Type this in the comments to claim it. I am unblocked and they are reaching out to me now. Feel it as you say it. And if you are ready to speed this up even more, visit joybyjanell.com for powerful manifestation tools designed to attract them back faster and strengthen your energy.